are still gisting girl where they under 25 years, I pity for you. You're never ready to succeed. Leave those girls, they'll draw you backward. I was doing it before I stopped it. So I'm speaking from experience. Any girl where they toast, where they 25 down, no toast down. If you toast the girl, she can have for you, leave her. Go wait for her for old age. That time if you call your house, she know they come out again. She'll call they use all those hanger with they hang your suit. She could use a hanger pants near suit.
The one and only, the super talented, the intellectual. Make some noise for MC AWILO.
Mona clap when her mama die. All those people don't go. Those people don't go. Not too much, oh. First of all, I want to especially appreciate Benin girls. Thank you very much. God will bless you guys. If not for now, I forgot jackpot, but anytime I think of travel, if I remember say Benin girls, they here for me to go, they had me. Benin girls, God will bless. If you're Benin girls, can you please put your hands together for yourself? Benin girls, we're gonna clap on yourself. Benin girls. Now let Benin girls go here and say, my name is Isoke, but you can call me Licksa. Who they lick you? Benin, where you go for hear something like, my elder brother and a kafti for army. Which one be kafti? I beg, I won't beg. Where that boy, MC Prince boy? You get one joke when you crack here. When you crack and I meet the fear. When you say that this Benin I Jew for demolish, you got you talk am. Because fear not go let me talk the way you talk am. That joke be funny, but you don't discover why people don't laugh. That be to laugh, after you laugh for that kind of joke, you will feel sleepers. Because you crack that joke, people the video. Then tomorrow morning you call the year, it talks something like now let Benin I Jew for demolish strong mass. That kind of joke, you crack them. How you want the sleepers? Because they're going to watch the video of everybody will laugh. Tomorrow you hear 4-0, they don't drop 4 people will laugh. 9-0, 9 people will laugh, don't go down. Bini too strong, they fear Bini. Bini, Oba, talk by. I got song at do. But I'm going to clap on that side, no much, man. I don't know why I be saying for this Bini, now we mats, they smell, always like to talk for person here. You know the way your mouth be, they always hold head. If you want to, you go, how far? I want to follow you, I'll let one matter. And the person, they hear the matter say, no sense way. You see, they say, sure now. And how they pay me, they say, nah, men, they follow you, I'll let. When men mouth, they always... Bini, club timeless don't come out. They all do club for Bini, they go say they want to do strippers club. I don't know who send it. Therefore, you do the one where they sabi do. Therefore, they do live on stage. Inside club. Club. I don't go to watch strippers club. When I see stripper for Benin, Baba. No, when you go Lagos Island, travel, you see fine stripper, slim, fat, moderate, belly rings, stripper wey draw tattoo, they smell well, better waist bead. Stripper they dance, you go to see and go to cut eye. As you see stripper, you go to say, oh, I wish I met you before my wife. Bini, who say no stripper? Fast stripper. Stretch mark. Wear pants like traditional wrestler. Stripper be like baby mama widow. Stripper give you lap dance, shit go stay in your trouser. And they talk Bini and they laugh. Who don't go Agbo? You don't see Agbo stripper. Who send Agbo? Agbo stripper be like cultural dancer. Stripper go dey dance with you. Who send Agbo? Agbo people, ndi Agbo undo. Agbo ore. Ijegejege ka be laka. Agbo way back many past human being. Anywhere you go, yeah, attention, turn left, attention, turn right. Thank you for riding cargo motorcycle. If you are here, you are still gisting girl with the under 25 years, I pity for you. You're never ready to succeed. Leave those girls, they'll draw you backward. I was doing it before I stopped it. So I'm speaking from experience. Any girl where they toast, where they 25 down, no toast down. If you toast the girl, she can have for you, leave her. Go wait for her for old age. That time if you call your house, she not they come out again. She'll call they use all those hanger with they hang your suit. She could use a hanger pants near suit. All those guys will market donkey. They can do message, they can go message. Abba say, they never break it, don't wake up early morning. Don't come give them up. It shall be permanent. Oh the Lord, oh, baby, raise your leg. I want to maintain you on your ass. Oh the Lord. Someone idiot come ass, mop everywhere. Mop POP, mop mama here. For real. All those old girls. One of the small girls, they stress you now. Me small girl, what's up? Can you be my girl? You go say, don't rush me. Let me take my time. I need to get to know you. We'll talk. You have my number now. You call me now, okay? Okay, fine. You don't give her number. You don't call her home. You call her. Can we see tomorrow? Where? You say, come to my side. And I go say, just like that. We have to meet in a restaurant. We'll talk. We'll stress you. After you don't buy everything, because I want to make my hair, you give her. I want to do this one, you give her. I want to do this one, you give her. Oh yeah, can you come? Oh, I don't want to come. Don't let me take my time. Oh God. Stress. But if you know say you date girl with the past 30 years, can you clap for yourself? I love those old girls. God will bless you guys. Thank you for staying old for us. Old girls. Small girls, they stress you, they stress you, they stress you. Leave them. Small girl you meet and what's up, they can stress you. If they even agree come your house, sleep with you once. I miss my period. I don't know what to do now. You get me infection. Old girls, nothing like that. Okay, you miss your period. Take money, go say, no, I don't want to do it. It's painful. My mother will kill me. Or you're born, I don't want to do, I'm too young. Oh, what do we do? I'm tired. I love old girls. If you be old girl, yeah, clap for yourself. Old girls are good. Old girl, you don't ever know say you don't give your old girl belly before. You know they know. As soon as they do. Maybe they do. You want to come out. You go say, oh, so. For your mind now, you don't come out. You say, yes, I don't want me taking. Go say, mumu. You know how I don't take it because I not tell you. Old girls don't they give you infection. Don't they give you all those kind of sickness. Old girls, don't they try them. Lie. Don't they take it for you. Don't give infection. If they want to give you only one HIV, you die and go. For real. Why they make love to your serious girlfriend? It's very sweet. You do with your serious girl, if they play blues, you go to hear song like, oh, when I die, I keep on living. Who do ever carry Agbo Ashawo? Agbo Ashawo wicked. If they make love to Agbo Ashawo now, all those old Igbo music, Agbo music, you're going to hear something like, boye, mama doye, adoye, uwana doye. Or you're going to hear, alabanko, ebayin alolo. So they talk, say you the front. Who be this one? Who carry wish conscious? Now let me go to see body where they do a job body. Who be okay now? Yeah, who boys don't start Susu? I don't know how that yet. Now Susu now for be okay. 200 to pack GK every Thursday. GRA do who guess are there? Who guess oh yeah? Oh God! Don't never start that job. Everybody now job. I join everybody they play. Now, I do this and I leave because I don't say I say comedians they backstage, so more not to overflog them. I want to remember now some of these things. If you don't say you do here, you know this one. I'll not say you don't say for Benin past 10 years. How many of you can still remember this? Advertisers delight. Not to get pride if you know how to do them. I mean, if I know this one, if you know this one, do and follow me. Okay, how many of you know this one for a year? My brother, register your singado. My sister, register your singado. Brother, register your singado. Which area for the door? Which area? Which area? You 70? You Bini? Okay, fine. Where you go for this one? I'm in a hurry. You're in a hurry. Everybody's in a hurry. Which program? Then where you go for this one? Country people, oh, good morning. This program will bring God today. Now, Baba God make us see this day. You 70? That guy they rather hoodie. Now, If you know this one, don't say you don't take for Bini. If you know this one, don't say you don't take for Bini. If you know this one, I'm gonna about this one. I am music, obuye, I am music. Jesus, this guy know how. Madam, if you are not married, I cry. Jesus wept. Now you go know say Bini strong. Go don't tell where Bini they do things. So now if you know this one, how many of you know this one for you? If you know this one for Bini, I don't say you don't say. Daddy Diki yo, go be no do come on Jesus. Oh, but like that me joint. That this one, see, I don't bring legend. He they shook my body. Shook my body. What it be there? Silence the house, where I dey? Where I dey? He said they papas. Now, you will agree with me, say Edo State don't deliver. To the extent where be say almost all the great people, they go always tell you how they start from Edo State. Please, if you are proud to be from Edo State, or you know say Edo State don't contribute for your life, can you please celebrate this land? Put your hands together for Edo State. Now, if you don't say you love Edo State, Edo, Apa talk me. Aga soga Edo. Edo guy sogawa. Edo guy say Italy. Edo guy say Oko prison. Thank you very much. Good night. God bless you. MC AWILO.